What's up, guys? This is Petrol Juice here. We got Josh GT hanging with us today, and we got my wonderful Forte GT. Today we're going to be putting on a oil catch can filter. It's sort of going to be a really quick video since I bought mine pre-owned, so it's already set up. But I figured I'll make a quick video on where I place the catch can and what I removed and what I installed. So to start things off, you can use like a pair of pliers to take this hose off right here. So you pull this little metal bracket back and then you pull this hose off. We're gonna leave that for now. Then we're going to loosen this ground bracket. Once we take it off, we flip it 180 degrees and install it backwards. When we do that, we're going to install the catch can like so, just like that. It's gonna basically attach right in between the ground and it's gonna stick right there. This is the 6th element oil catch can. The way I have it already set up, since I bought it pre-owned, is this valve here. It's a one-way valve, I believe. You're gonna see an arrow on it right there. That arrow, you're gonna make sure it's pointed away from the catch can, and that you're gonna put on the left side tube. Alrighty. All right, so once you pull that back, you're gonna be able to pull this hose back, but everything's gonna be very tight. So it's gonna take you a while to pull it off. You can use a plastic pry tool if you'd like, but this hose should come right off. There we go. Just leave that there. Now we're going to move on to that ground I told you about. We're gonna loosen this bolt and then put on the catch can. All right, so I got a 10 millimeter, got a ratchet. All right, so once you get the ground off, you're gonna turn this 180 degrees, put the screw inside, so you want this facing out. Take your catch can. The bracket we're gonna put in between the car and the ground. So this is the idea you want. Right through the hole. And right into the ground. All right, so once you get the catch can on, you're gonna have to install these tubes. One left, one right. Once you get those on, you're gonna install this one-way valve with the arrow, which you can see right here, pointing away from the catch can toward the other tube. Once you get that in this, you're gonna connect this valve into the tube that you disconnected from the car. And just bring this together. I'm not being afraid to just pull it because it is very tight. This is probably the most abuse I've ever given any car parts. All right, guys, so once you get this on, I got it on the best that I could. Just try your best, put it all the way on. It's very, very hard. All right, so the right hose here. All right, we're gonna feed it right next to what we just connected. You want to get that on the best you can. It's very hard, but just try your best once it's on. Feed this right underneath this tube and this tube. And then you're just going to connect it back to the original location that this tube was plugged in. Feed it right through all the way in. Get your flathead. Tighten it up. All right, it is definitely hand tight and not going anywhere. That is plugged in, good to go. Once you're all done, you can use some zip ties. I don't have them because, again, I bought this pre-owned, but you should have some zip ties that you should be able to basically zip tie everything together. Then, once you're done, just put your engine cover back on and make sure, you know, it's put somewhere where it's not going to interrupt the engine bay. But it should look something like that. Just like that, your catch can's installed. There's nothing else you need to do. And the maintenance for it, all it includes is every once in a while, I forgot what the interval is, you just unscrew the bottom portion of this catch can to then dump out oil that's collected from the engine, since this is a GDI engine. This reduces the chance of carbon buildup. Therefore, it should keep performance at peak and your engine should last a little longer. It's really simple. Just every once in a while, just unscrew the bottom part here, check for the oil, dump it out as needed, screw it back on, and that's all you need to do. No tuning or anything. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, just leave any comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.